So good morning everybody. Today I'll be making more concentrate from this concentrate, which one I got in another video, another channel. So I be using black sand to recover the gold, which one is in this concentrate. Okay, and still is a lot of sand, and that sand contains a lot of different metals. So when I do aqua regia, I don't want to have those another metals in this concentrate. So I be panning with the using black sand to recover the gold, if possible how much we can recover. So this is all concentrate from 5 gallons bucket. It's just like 1.5 or 2 pounds of weight. So let's start doing. So let's put the 2-3 spoons of this concentrate in the pan. Okay, maybe 3. And then we will be adding some black sand, because I have some black sand from river too. I got it, and we be panning. I be panning with little amounts. I want to get all the gold out from here, because another way is if you do panning fast, that gold goes away. And using black sand, because black sand protects my gold. Gold is more heavy than black sand and sinks in the bottom, and black sand covers that that gold and don't let him escape. So I be panning, adding a little bit more black sand in order to get a little bit more gold. This gold is microscopic, barely can see, but you can easily pan it because it's still heavier than this black sand, so that no problem. Pan it, and plate left just the black sand. Okay, and now I putting everything back on the plate and using magnet to collect all this black sand. Okay, I starting from far, because gold, if it's there, is in this side. So I collecting the black sand, and like you see, almost nothing can be seen in here. So I need to get another, not even stronger magnet from hard drives, and collect everything what is magnetic. You see how little amount stays everything here. So right now I'll be transferring all this. First I want to see, do I see gold at all? Maybe there's nothing to see. Let me pan it with 2 hands, then I show you if I can. Pan it, and what in this corner, or here, very little amount of gold. So, can't even show you, so small. Okay, main thing the gold is, I be collecting all those microscopic particles of gold, putting in separate beaker, and when I finish, I show you how much I got. This is what you see in my case. That gold, how small it is. I can even show you nicely with the camera. I'm using lupa to multiply. Okay. So if you're looking without lupa, they'll be in this corner too. Okay, what is this? You see, this looks like brown color, but when you're putting magnifying glass, you see the gold, like, yeah, that is the gold. So okay, it's still left to work. So I right now taking out, panning everything and putting in the beaker. I finish panning, look how little get. This is my concentrate of concentrate. So there is not so much gold like this time, but let's see what I can get it. Hydrochloric acid, right now I want to boil this little bit till dissolves all metals which one dissolves in hydrochloric acid. So solution became yellow, it's getting hot. So I want a little bit boil and then wash it and use aqua regia to recover gold, and then I show you new way how to recover that gold. Hydrochloric acid is boiling, so let him slow down. I turn off heater, and when is everything finished, I decanted this hydrochloric acid and we put aqua regia. All this material in the bottom and in the beaker, and in the bottom I see very little amount of gold. I'm not so happy. So I right now try to dissolve it in aqua regia and precipitate, and what we get, we smelt it. So I'm putting potassium nitrate and adding some hydrochloric acid. Okay, so try to use minimum amount of chemicals, not like 20 milliliters. Okay, and I'm putting on the heat, let him get hot and start dissolving. Okay, solution getting hot and started releasing bubbles, which means something reacting. Okay, let him work till it gets very hot, and then we will see what's happening next. Still working. I turn off heater and very low actually, and let's see, do we have a gold at all. Right now I put some urea, few granules, and I very little taking that solution, okay, and putting here and try to dissolve it, that urea. And now let's put some stannous chloride and see, do we have gold at all, because oh yeah, we see spot, black one. So that means we have gold. It looks like not bad, not bad. So let's put it back, and that's it. Let him work till it's still bubbling. When it stops bubbling, then means we done. Because what is this? When metallic gold is in aqua regia, is dissolves very slowly. I don't know why. Maybe because of that, they contain some silver. That silver don't let him dissolve faster. So let me hold it till those bubbles stops coming. You see the bubbles is coming, it never stopping. There is no heat. So that means everything okay. It means dissolving gold. And I can see on the surface right here is a lot of sulfides. You see the sulfides? Those looks like gold too, you know that. But who knows how much the gold is there, but we'll see. Looks like bubbling is finish. There's still a little bit, but it's okay. Let's put urea. See urea, right away started denoxing nitric. See those bubbles? So let's dissolve it. A little bit more, just to see. Don't forget, urea you need to put it. Anytime you do precipitation, no need to be nitric inside the solution. So now let's start filtrating. Okay, I'm using regular cotton, and let's start filtrating. Oh, now we got the wind. Okay, and that much sand. Okay, we'll see how much gold we get it. Filtration is over. So now I wash this material with the water, and I'm adding here everything. Let him. So I didn't see any gold or something. So this is done, let's say. And well, as soon as this finish, we precipitate with the electricity using electrolysis. Is done. I use electricity to precipitate this gold. I putting iron. It's a regular piece of metal. Okay, I putting in, and I connecting plus on this one. I set 2 volts and a minus on titanium, but this doesn't matter. You can use any metal, and reaction starts. Okay, and you can see gold precipitating and the bottom brown color coming. Oh, it can show you so much. So you see solution getting brown. This means we're getting gold precipitating. Okay, and remember, was clear, or now it's no more clear. Okay, this just became brown dust. That is our gold precipitating. You see what kind of color it became? Okay, so wait about 2-3 minutes that we get enough iron to solution, and then we just wait till everything settles down on the bottom, and if we be enough gold, we maybe not even smelt it. So looks like okay. This way is the cheapest way to precipitate gold. Okay, you not need SMB, not need anything. With just electricity, iron piece, and that's it. And if solution have a gold, it right away becomes a brown and like a dust, and then you just need to wait till everything settles down on the bottom, because the gold is precipitated microscopic pieces, so small you can't even see, but they are gold. And after like 2-3 minutes, you're taking everything out. Let's say, I think it's not even enough. Just mix it and be done. Okay, see how fast and easy. And over here is covered in gold, brown powder too. So that is good sign when you see on cathode brown pieces. It means gold is there. So let's take it out. Iron is like clean, dark, so some need to get the gold out. Okay, so what we got a dark brown, not dark, it's light brown color something. So now we just need to wait. So let's see how many, maybe 1 hour, 2 hours, maybe more, who knows. And we be done. We be ready to smelt it if there be enough gold. Okay, let's wait. Already evening, solution became clear and all gold is in the bottom. This is not a lot, very little. So I'll be decanting this solution and try to filtrate gold. Okay, but this is what is left is our gold, so I need to transfer to some beaker where I'll be smelting. Okay, let's transfer everything where I'll be smelting. Okay, still have something. Let me work with 2 hands. And then we're putting heater and aerate this water. And tomorrow we smelt it. Okay, I put all gold and gold became gold chloride. So I'll be smelting anyway, we'll see. So right now I go get some collector metal, some gold, and be smelting. We'll see what's using happens. This little piece of gold to be collector metal. So I need to wait and write number 6680. So let's go smelt everything. I adding that piece of gold in. Okay, I need to get some borax on the top and be ready to smelt. So it looks like everything smelted. Maybe add another 2 minutes. Okay. Wow. Nice. This is what I got. Okay, let's go wait. Okay, let's see how much I got it from this little nice gold nugget. So 6825. Okay, 6825. Okay, I got 0.145 from 5 gallons of sand. It's not a lot. What to do? It's not easy.